All right, this is a multi-step problem. It is asking two things. What is the measure of ABC, angle ABC? Well, if you notice, because these are similar triangles, ADE and ABC are actually congruent to each other. So we're going to set them equal. We're going to say 1/3 A minus 8 equals 1/6 A plus 37. Now what you do notice is that there are fractions, so we want to get rid of the fraction. So we're going to multiply by the common denominator, which is 6. We're going to distribute 6 on both sides. We're going to get 12 over 3, which is 4, but 12 over 3a, forgot to write the a. And then 6 times -8, which is -48. And then on the right side, we get a, because 6 over 6 is the same as 1, plus 37 times 6, which is actually 222. So might take you a little while to get that, but this is what we have now. We have a place where we can get the a's, the variable on one side and get the constant on the other. So we're going to get rid of the 48 by adding it to both sides. We are going to get 270 on one side, and then we're going to go ahead and take the 12 divided by 3a, and we're going to turn it into 4a. We are left with 4a equals a plus 270. Now we're also going to get rid of the a from the right side, so we subtract, and we get 3a equals 270. Now if we divide by 3 to both sides, we end up getting a equals 90. Now if a is 90, we plug it back in to our equation to actually find out what is the measurement of that angle that we were talking about. So we go 180 divided by 3 minus 8, and then we could set it equal to 90 over 6 plus 37. All we really need to do is solve one side, but I'm actually solving both. We end up getting 60 minus 8. And so angle ABC is equal to 52 degrees. So we can actually put that in for part A. And then for part B, we're going to solve. For part B, we're going to solve for x, which we have two sides. We have x minus 14, and we are going to set it equal to 1/4 x plus 7. The only problem is these two are not equal to each other. 1/4 x plus 7 is actually 1x minus 14 is actually 1/2 of 1/4 x plus 7, because there's a scale factor of 1/2. So we're going to go ahead and distribute 1/2 over 1/4 x plus 7. We get 1/8 x plus 7 over 2, which we could actually turn 7 over 2 into 3.5. So now we can go ahead and get rid of the 14 from both sides. We're going to add it to both sides. 14 plus 3.5 is 17.5. That leaves us with x on one side. However, we do have 1/8 x that we have to get rid of. So we're going to subtract 1/8 x. So if I say 8 over 8x, because that's the same as 1x, 8 over 8x minus 1/8 x, that gives us 7 over 8x. So 7 over 8x equal to 17.5. Now we're going to get rid of the 7/8 by multiplying by the reciprocal. So we're going to multiply 7/8 by 8 over 7. And that's going to cancel us out and just give us x. And then on the other side, we're going to take 17.5, multiply by 8, and divide by 7. So we're going to get 140 divided by 7, which in fact is 20. So x equals 20. So if we want to find out what the measurement of DE is, we're going to say x equals 20. We're going to say 20 minus 14, and 20 minus 14 is 6. So DE is 6.